University. Combat University. Combat University. Combat University. Combat University. Combat University. Let's go!
Welcome to Combat University. Today I'm going to teach you how to defend against a hair grab. So watch this clip from Full Metal Alchemist and I'll meet you back here to go over today's lesson. Let's check it out.
You dead yet? You're chock full of piss and vinegar. I appreciate the effort, but you just can't win!
Yay! Ay! 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 Welcome back. So you can see in this clip that Edward got his head grabbed, right? You can use the same thing as if somebody's grabbing your hair. So Bob here reaches out and he grabs my hair or my head. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to grab it. So I'm going to grab it. That way, if they try to pull, they're not actually pulling my hair, but I can actually hold their hand in place. From here, I'm going to do a soccer kick, which is just a kick to the shin. Here, like you're kicking a soccer ball. If you don't want to kick, you can also stomp and rake down on that shin. But for this one, we're going to do a kick. Here. After you kick, you're going to let go here and uppercut. After the uppercut, rake to the face. So he grabs you, plant your hands, kick, uppercut, rake the face. Grab, kick, uppercut, rake the face. He grabs your hair, plant your hands, hold it in place, here, kick, uppercut, rake. Right. If we see Bob here reaching for our head, instead of letting him grab our head and grab our hair, we're going to block it. Here. So block from here, kick the shin, uppercut, rake the face. Right? Aye. Block, kick, uppercut, rake. Now make sure that after you've blocked and you kick, don't uppercut from here. Make sure you plant yourself first, then uppercut. Aye, aye, rake the face. For this one, we're blocking here. So block, kick, here, rake. Aye, aye, aye. Aye, yeah, aye. So for this one, we're going to strike first. It's just a kick. I like to put my hand out just so I can feel them and see what they're doing. Here, step and uppercut, rake the face. Again, aye. Aye. Uppercut, rake the face. We're not waiting for him. Here. Here. Kick. Uppercut. Rake. Aye. Aye. Thanks for watching. Now go try it. Hit that like and subscribe, and I'll meet you back here next time for more self-defense techniques.
Don't tell me you're gonna try and start anything.